India's Deep Ocean Mission. It is a major initiative by Ministry of Earth Sciences to explore deep ocean's resources, focusing on deep mining tech, biodiversity, climate services, and energy, supporting India's blue economy with 4077 rupees crore budget 2021 to 26 and aim for self-reliance in ocean tech and resource assessment. Key focus areas: 6 major components: technology development, building deep mining system and a manned submersible Matsya 6000 for 6000-meter depth exploration plus underwater robotics. Deep ocean survey and exploration, mapping multi-metals sulfide sites and assessing resources in the Indian Ocean. Biodiversity, researching deep sea microbes, flora, fauna, and sustainable bioprospecting. Ocean climate change advisory, developing models to forecast climate variables. Ocean energy and freshwater, studying ocean thermal energy conservation and desalination. Advanced Marine Station, creating an innovative hub for ocean biology, significance and goals. Blue Economy, support sustainable economic growth from ocean resources. Resource potential, accessing valuable minerals like nickel, copper, cobalt, and manganese. Self reliance, developing indigenous capabilities in deep sea technology. Global commitments, aligns with UN Decade of Ocean Science 2021 to 2030 and treaties for ocean protection, key technologies and milestone. Matsya 6000, manned submersible for 6 kilometer depth with trial schedule for 2027 to 28. Vara, underwater mining system that successfully tested at 5270 meters. Phase 1 2021 to 2024 focused on tech development. Phase 2 ongoing implementing body. Ministry of Earth Sciences, the nodal ministry.